step into the Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, Colorado red clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, and engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive